back to my channel. So today we will visualize number in a new way. So for that I need some help, and for help I have called my little sister Kashvi. This is my little sister Kashvi. Say hi.
Hi.
So today we will play with numbers with these dices. So Kashvi is going to throw one dice and I am going to throw one dice.
Hey guys.
What happened?
My mom and dad next time take my birthday, 5th.
Okay, yeah. Like few days ago it was her 5th birthday. So the dice which Kashvi is going to throw is going to be the 10th place, and the dice which I am going to throw is going to be the 1st place. So are we ready? Let's get started.
Give me the dice.
So friends, let's roll the dices. Kashvi, roll the dice. Number 2. So we have 2 in the 10th place. Now let me roll the dice.
What?
6. Wow, lucky number.
That is for your
6. So 2 and 6, which is 26. So first, let's recap how to set our abacus. So when our abacus is messy, pull it up, use these 2 fingers, and boom. So now let's visualize the number 26. So 26 is basically 2 and 6, 2 in the 10th place and 6 in the 1st place. So first let's do 6 in the 1st place. I'm using this dot as 1st place today. So this is 6. Now we will do 2 in the 10th place. So this is 20 and this is 6. As easy as that. Now let's roll the dice again. So Kashvi, roll the dice. It's 1. Okay, 1 in the 10th place and 6 in the 1st place. Oh my gosh. I wish this happened in actual Ludo. So first, this is 1 and 6. 1 in the 10th place and 6 in the 1st place. So let's do 1 in the 10th place. This is 1. Now we will do 6 in the 10th place. I mean 1st place. So this is 1 and 6, which is 16. Last time, roll the dice, Kashvi. 5. Okay. 1. So this time we have 5 in the 10th place and 1 in the 1st place. So first let's check out 1. So this is the 1st place, so I will put 1 bead up, which is basically 1. Now in the 10th place this is 5. So this is 50 and this is 1. As easy as that. That's it for today, guys. Hope you liked it. Bye.
See you in the next video.